How to add products in Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add products in your Shopify store. So let's start it. I'm logged into my Shopify store. There are two ways that you can add products within your Shopify store. First way is to add them manually. Come over here onto the left-hand side, click on Products. You can go ahead and click on Add Your Products right here, and you can manually input all the information. Title, description, media, pricing, cost, everything else. Let's go ahead and do that. First, we're going to add in the title, let's say, Dark Knight Hoodie. There we go. We have now entered a title and a description. Let's go ahead and add the media, which is going to be images. Here I have some images of the hoodie, so I'm just simply going to add this right here. We're going to add on the rest. And there we go. Now, let's go ahead and add the pricing. We're going to say, like, for example, $30. Here, let's say it was originally $40. Cost per item, we'll just say it's around 35 or maybe 30. We have track quantity. If you want, you can add in shop locations or you can continue selling when out of stock. This product has an SKU or a barcode number. You can add that over here. You can add the weight of the product as well. I don't know how much this hoodie would weigh, but after researching online, normally a hoodie weighs around 1 to 3 pounds. Depend on the fabric, so we'll just say 1.5. We can add more options as well. We can add different variants and sizes. We'll add sizes. All right, small, large, XL, double XL. Okay, that looks much better. We can click on Done. We can add prices as well. Normally, the double XL or the triple XL is a little bit higher. We'll just say it's around 40. For this one, we'll say it's 45. The rest is going the same. We'll say we have around 30 pieces of each. We can add SKU numbers, barcodes, and stuff like that. Generally, this is how it is. As you can see, we have different variants. Then we can add the product type if we want to. We'll just say hoodie, add in the vendor, and we can add it to a collection. Pretty simple, that's it. You can just simply go ahead and click on Save, and your products will be added. This is how you can add products manually. The other way is basically importing products using an application where you can import your products from another store by clicking on the import button and uploading the file, and it'll upload all the data that it has. The other way is through adding an application called a drop shipping application like Dsers, Aliexpress, Sendrop, or Spocket, other applications like that, and they're actually very helpful as well. Okay, so I'm going with Dsers Aliexpress. Click it, and it will open the Shopify App Store, click on Install, and click Install App, and sign in with your email or create an account. It will take little time. Now click on Confirm. So we have now linked it, so this is how it looks like. Look at the product, let's say this. You just hover your mouse over it and it will have this button called Add to Import List. You simply click on the button and you go to your import list. After imported the product, go to the import list. You will have that product right here. Then you just simply click this box and click on Push to Shopify Store. And you can check the product you have selected. You can continue to sell it when it's out of stock, or you can publish it to the online store. Then just simply click on Push to Store or Push to Shopify. Wait for it to be imported. As you can see, you're going to have the progress right here. You have now successfully imported it. Let's come back over here and refresh it, and you will have your product right here. It's just added the name and a few other details like specifications or description, changing the title, maybe some of these images, adding or changing or removing different variants. But generally, this is it. After that, you are good to go. That's how you add products into your Shopify store. If you did enjoy this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel as well. We'll catch you in the next one.